Something extraordinary is coming to Malaysia. A gathering unlike any other, bringing together the brightest minds and the deepest insights. Prepare yourself for an event that will inspire, enlighten, and connect hearts from across the globe. Perlis International Islamic Convention 2025.
It is the largest English Islamic conference in Malaysia. 24th, 25th and 26th of January 2025 from 8:45 AM to 9 PM at Divan 2020, Kangar, Perlis, Malaysia. Admissions is free and all faiths are welcome. This year, we bring together 17 international English Islamic speakers from 10 different countries to inspire, enlighten and connect hearts. Dr. ZakirNaik, India. Dr. Umar Suleiman, USA. Dr. Muhammad Salah, Egypt. Sheikh Asim Al-Hakim, Saudi Arabia. Sheikh Yusuf Estes, USA. Sheikh Abdul Rahim Green, UK. Dr. Sajid Umar, UK. Dr. Bilal Phillips, Canada. Dr. Ahmad Ibn Saifuddin, Saudi Arabia. Sheikh Walid Basayuni, USA. Sheikh Abdul Rahim McCarthy, USA. Sheikh Ala Al-Sayyid, Canada. Sheikh Hussain Ji, Malaysia. Sheikh Yusuf Idris, Sudan. Sheikh Shadi Al-Suleiman, Australia. Sheikh Said Rage, Canada. Sheikh Farik Naik, Malaysia. Mufti Dato Dr. Muhammad Asri Zainul Abidin, Malaysia. Sheikh Qari Saad Nomani, Pakistan. Perlis International Islamic Convention 2025.